Okay, hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. And this session will be about Turnitin. Right, Turnitin. Now, what I'll be doing, I'll be going through adding an assignment to Turnitin as well as checking the similarity index of the assignment. Now at BMC, we use 25% similarity index, maximum 30, right? But the similarity index that we use here is 25%, no greater, right? And definitely, the more you go above 25%, the more you will lose marks. So make sure that you're within a range below 25%. Now, I will be demonstrating right now. As you can see, the portal that we're in is a lectures section. This is the instructor section, as you can see here. And what you are seeing here right now is the assignment that was added by the lecturer called Assignment 101. Now, in order to submit your assignment, you must have two key things. The class ID is this, and the enrollment key. This is normally provided by the instructor. So because I have that on hand already, I'm going to go ahead and switch to student view, right? Because I'll be pretending to be a student for today. And I'm going to submit an assignment. So let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead. I've logged into the Turnitin portal. I'm going to go ahead now and click on enroll in a class right here. And I'm going to add the class ID and the enrollment key. So let me just copy the class ID from my notepad, paste it there. The enrollment key is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. Beautiful. So now I have successfully submitted the credentials and I now have access to assignment 101. I'm going to go ahead and click on assignment 101. Right? As you can see there, the portal is ready for me to upload. Right? And then now I'm going to go ahead and click submit right here. Add the assignment title, which is assignment 1. Scroll down. I'm going to search for the assignment on the computer by clicking here. Then this is it, research paper sample. Okay, go ahead now and click upload. Right. Now, as you can see, the document has been successfully uploaded. You can tell the word count, everything. Right, and we are at step 2 of 3. So now it's time to go ahead and click confirm. Now before I click confirm, you can also browse through your paper by hitting these arrow keys. Alright, so next you can go back. Go ahead and click confirm now. Right, and as you can see, congratulations, your submission is complete. This is your digital receipt. You can print a copy of this receipt from within the document view. You can do this, or you can check your email, because once your email is attached to Turnitin, you will receive a digital receipt as well. All right. Now let me return to the assignment to see what my similarity index is, or what similarity it has generated. So as you can see there, it says processing. So let's give it a few minutes, not necessarily minutes, just a few seconds. All right, now look at that. It has said I have plagiarized 100%. Right. This is the percentage of text in your paper that matched sources in our database. this is 100%. That means I have plagiarized the entire assignment. If I hit on the 100% here, or it could be any number, it could be 30, it could be 10, it could be 5, it will carry you to this window. And as I can see in this window, it will show you where you plagiarized from. If I hit here, it will tell you exactly where it is from. As you can see, a lot of information here. So it's always best to make sure that you have cited your document properly. You have not copied and pasted anything from the internet. And you are using the correct APA format. And currently the world is using APA 7. BMC is using APA 7. Alright, let me close the window here. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to go back and do some additional reading, paraphrasing, make sure that I don't copy everything. Now, as you can see, you have three submissions within 24 hours. Let's read. Resubmit your paper. Note, after 3 resubmissions, you will need to wait 24 hours after a resubmission to see a new similarity report. Right? So, you only have 3 resubmissions within 24 hours. So, I always advise my students that before submitting anything to Turnitin, don't wait until the deadline. No. Make sure you start your assignment early, so that, for example, if the assignment were to be due this Friday, you would have ample time to submit to Turnitin by about Wednesday to check your document and get some assistance from Turnitin to see where you have gone wrong. Okay? Once you have redone your assignment, all you have to do is just click resubmit. Right? You'll get this message, Turnitin reminding you that you only have 3 resubmissions. You'll hit OK. Then you would come right here, type the assignment again. Assignment 1, whatever the assignment is, correct that. And then you search for the assignment on your computer by hitting choose from computer. You're going to hit that, then you go through the same process to submit. Okay. There are some other buttons here. You can download your assignment. You can download the original file or digital receipt for the file that was submitted to this assignment, or you can even click view and it will carry you to the window that we were before to see what you have plagiarized. Now, this video was recorded within 9 minutes, so I would say it's pretty short, straight to the point. Now, I wish you all the best with your assignments and may you do well. Thank you so much for viewing, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.